Netflix's animated movie Cop Demon Hunter crosses 300 million views. Netflix's animated movie Cop Demon Hunters has set a new record. The film is now the most viewed title in Netflix history, having crossed 300 million views since its release. As per Netflix's Tudum report, the movie has reached 314.2 million views, with over 523.6 million hours watched worldwide. It is only the second Netflix movie to cross 200 million views, after Red Notice in 2021. Cop Demon Hunters has consistently stayed at the top of Netflix's weekly viewership charts, often holding the number 1 or 2 spot. In the last week of August, weekly viewers grew by 5 million. The film continues to trend online, inspiring cosplay, dance recreations, memes, fan art, and other fan creations. The film released in June 2025. The story follows Huntrax, a fictional K-pop girl group made up of Rumi, Mira, and Zoe. While living as global pop stars, they secretly fight demons. The plot takes turn when they find out their rivals, the Saya Boys, are demons in disguise. The movie's music has also made history. The track Golden, performed by Huntrax, became #1 on both the Billboard Global 200 and the Billboard Global US charts. It is the first song by a fictional act to top both lists. Music for the film is produced by Teddy and features K-pop group Twice. Cop Demon Hunters features the voices of Arden Cho, Mei Hong, and Ji Young-yu. Netflix is already planning to expand the Cop Demon Hunters universe. Director Maggie Kang said, "There are always side stories, and there are things we've thought of while making this one." Sony Pictures is reportedly in talks with Netflix to develop a sequel. For now, Cop Demon Hunters is available to stream worldwide on Netflix.